SD card.
You want the power off or on?
On, it's all gotta be on.
Cool.
Alright, what's it say?
Good boy, Maverick. Silly goose. Alright, so as far as this goes, I swapped out the main breaker so they shut the power off. Unscrewed these, unscrewed the 2 screws, pulled off the wires off the old one, reversed it, screwed that back in, screwed those back in, screwed those down. So that screw was a little like, I mean, it like not stripped, but it just wasn't like cranking all the way tight, but it's working, so it's got contact, it's not loose or anything, but just a little sketchy in my mind. So anyways, there we go. So here's where we came in through the back into the 60 amp breaker for the solar. So yes sir. Come on, Katie, on to the next one, girl.